talk about what are the powers what are the powers each government has. For example, what power does the state government have, what powers does the Delhi government have, and what powers does both the government have. Okay, meaning what are the decisions which state government can take, what are the decisions which central government can take, and what are the decisions which both the government can take are given as below. So first is the union list. Union list meaning the decisions or the things which the central government or the Delhi government can decide. Union list comprises of 97 subjects, 97 topics on which the central government can take decision, like defense. Defense એટલે army, navy, air force. Foreign affairs. Foreign affairs are what? Foreign relations. Like how you had Prime Minister Narendra Modi going to Bhutan, Japan, Russia, America, meeting all of them. That is called foreign affairs. Okay. Atomic energy. Atomic energy is what? Making atom bombs and all that. Using atomic energy for good things also. Banking. Okay. Your banks. Railways. Communication. Communication meaning telephones, network, all these things. Post. Okay. That is your post which you do your lettering and all. Telegraph are included in union list. So all these are included in the central government list. Next is the state government. It comprises of 66 topics or subject which the state can take decision on. Okay, which are important subjects on which state legislature house can pass laws. State legislature house matlab the government at state. For example, how we have the parliament in Delhi, like Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Similarly, we have state legislature houses, okay, in state government. Okay, that we have like how in central or how in Delhi government, how in Delhi there is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Similarly, we have a small parliament in every state which takes decision on various topics, like subjects like law and order. Obviously, but these state ma law and order is different, right? That is why law and order. State government institution, all the government, state government institution, એટલે તમારું municipal corporation, તમારું high court, all these are included in state government institution. Agriculture and irrigation, okay, agriculture and irrigation. Health, land, intercaste trade. Intercaste trade એટલે state and let's say Gujarat and Maharashtra is having trade, so that is interstate trade. And commerce are included. If there is a failure of law and order in a state, the union government with the consent or against the will of the state can send reserved police force. Let's say that law and order has become very bad in a particular state. Let's say Gujarat ma danga thai chhe and state government is not able to control that danga. So with the help of the central government or not, sometimes central government on their own send police force, which is called as the reserved force, in order to come and help the state government with all the problems that are happening in their state. Okay. Concurrent list. In the addition to constitution provides for the third list, and that is called the concurrent list, which consists of subjects of common concern, both the central and the state government. So what they are saying that there are certain topics or there are certain subjects on which both the central and the state government can take decision on, and that list is called as concurrent list. The central government and the state government can pass laws on these subjects. There are total 42 subjects that are included. For example, criminal and civil procedure. Suppose there is a crime that has happened, so ema kayo procedure use karu? Like right now everybody was saying, right, CBI for Sushant Singh Rajput. So let's say criminal case is there, civil case is there. So ema su kevi ritna agad vadvu, whether CBI should come or not. So all those things are included. Marriage, divorce, education, economic planning, trade, union, etc. So all these topics are something on which both the central government and the state government can take decision on. These lists are very, very important. You have to remember 97 subjects, 66 subjects and 42 subjects. Okay. Don't mix up the list. Okay. It's very, very important. If you mix up the list, I can't give you marks. Okay. Try to learn at least 5 from each. Okay, like all these 5 topics which are there, please at least try to learn 5. Okay.